Lifting a heavy object with the help of a lightweight object. What do you require? Unused sketch pen, 1 meter long strong thread, 2 iron nuts, a big sized potato, paper pin and a sellotape. How will you do it? Remove sponge and writing tip from a useless sketch pen and make it empty. Now cut the sketch pen from both the ends so that a plastic tube with uniform circumference will be ready. Now pass about 1 meter long strong thread through the tube. To one end of the thread, tie 2 iron nuts and to the other end of the thread, tie a potato by piercing paper pins into it. Cover the paper pin with a sellotape so that the thread tied to the pin does not come out. Thus, we have tied 2 iron nuts at one end of the thread while a potato to the other end. Now, hold the sketch pen tube in the vertical position as shown in the picture. As the potato is heavier than the 2 iron nuts, the end of the thread to which potato is tied will go down. Now, hold the sketch pen tube vertically in your hand and start rotating it. While doing this, hold the sketch pen tube away from your body. Slowly increase the speed of rotation. What will you observe? While rotating the sketch pen tube with sufficient speed, it is observed that the 2 iron nuts start moving away from the tube and obviously the heavy potato gets lifted up. Science behind the experiment. This experiment shows the effect of force acting on a body in circular motion. To keep the body moving along a circular path, a force is needed to apply on it. This force acts along the radius of the circular path of the moving body and directed towards the center. This force, therefore, is called as centripetal force. This is due to the centrifugal force which acts on us. In this experiment, when we rotate the sketch pen tube with sufficient speed, the motion of the tube is transferred to the thread and nuts tied to the thread. Since heavy potato is tied on the other end of the thread, tension is generated on the thread. This tension provides necessary centripetal force to keep the nut in circular motion. While rotating the tube, you can observe that the thread is getting rubbed on the edge of the tube. Due to this friction, tension on the upper part of the thread and that on the lower part is not the same. However, this difference is negligible. The heavy load tied to the lower end of the thread life for various applications. Many people use washing machines to wash clothes. The dryer present in these machines functions on the basis of centrifugal force. Wet clothes are put in the vessel of the dryer. Using electric energy, this vessel is rotated with tremendous speed about its vertical axis. Thus, the clothes also get rotational motion. As a result, centripetal force acts on it in outward direction. This force is responsible to exhaling water in the clothes and the clothes become dry to some extent.